Both my boys died alone in their own homes with no help available to them.
Devastating numbers released once again, and they reveal British Columbia is heading towards a record-breaking year for overdose deaths. The latest statistics from the BC Coroner Service show 153 suspected drug overdose deaths in November.
We are very likely to see 2020 be the worst year ever for people dying as a result of illicit substances.
The November numbers released Monday morning are up 89% from the same month last year. And it's not just last month. 2020 has seen a massive spike in overdose deaths. So far, there have been 1,548.
There is a much more extreme concentration of fentanyl on the market now, on the illicit market. And so we are seeing more people dying, and postmortem toxicology is showing extreme fentanyl levels in their systems.
Mom Stop the Harm advocate Helen Jennings and the Canadian Association for Safe Supply say these numbers will continue rising until there's better access to a safe supply of drugs.
Those numbers are going to keep going. As long as this drug market is so toxic, and really the only thing to decrease that is a safe supply.
People are so dejected by the government as well, because this has been going on for 5 years and there's no end in sight. There's no end in sight unless decision makers, start doing the things that we know make a difference.
This year, 55% of drug overdose deaths have happened in private homes. No deaths have been reported at supervised injection or overdose prevention sites.
If they use alone, they may die. And so being there for people who are using is the thing that will keep them alive.
Now, just on Sunday, a national phone line was launched in the hopes to prevent overdose deaths. Anyone in Canada using drugs can call the National Overdose Response Service, or NORS, at 1-888-688-NORS to have a volunteer stand by to call for help if needed.
They can be absolutely life-saving for people in substance use that are using alone, particularly right now with COVID and a toxic drug market. I think they're brilliant.
In Burnaby, Miranda Fatour, City News.